Cotija?
I'm happy.
Hi friends, welcome back to Friends Test Kitchen. I'm Kat.
I'm Gina.
So today we're doing another Chrissy Teigen easy at home recipe. So today we're making her Mexican street corn. So if you have her cookbook, and if you don't, I highly suggest you get it, but it's in this Cravings recipe book that she has released, and it is on page 167. And it says that it's gonna take us 10 minutes prep time and 20 minutes to cook. We're really excited to make this recipe. You know, we're always looking for something new and easy to make at home. So Gina and I are gonna test this recipe and taste it, and we're gonna let you guys know if this is a thumb up and a really great addition to your summer barbecue.
And I'm so excited to make this. Catherine, this is like a treat for me. So whenever we go out to eat, if it's on the menu, I always order it. And I never thought to make it for myself at home. I don't know why. So I'm super excited to see how this turns out. You ready to get started?
I'm ready.
All right, first we're gonna start with the cheese mixture. So on a plate, we're gonna add your Parmesan oregano mixture. You wanna get the finely grated version. And then you're gonna also add in the cotija. Did I say that correctly?
Cotija? I mean, guys, if you butcher this, we're sorry.
I know, sorry, the cotija cheese, which I wasn't able to find. So I did a search and it did say you could use feta in place of it or Parmigiana, and we already have a lot of Parmigiana here, so I went with feta. So I hope it still works out and it doesn't disappoint. And then sprinkle in some black pepper, so for seasoning, and you're gonna wanna mix this all up because at some point when we're done cooking the corn, we're gonna rub it in the cheese mixture.
This is not a pretty food to eat, but it is delicious. And who cares? It's corn on the cob.
I know. We're gonna be eating it like this anyway.
Yep, so we're gonna brush the corn on all sides with vegetable oil. So you get that nice sizzle when you put it on the grill.
Right, once it's oiled up, you just put it on your pan when it's hot.
Oh, don't forget the salt.
Pan's hot. Corn salted. Ready?
Right.
Oh, and the book does say to use a cast iron skillet. I don't have one of those, so I'm gonna use a regular pan, so I do question if mine's gonna blacken as well. You wanna cook it for about 8 minutes until you get a good blackening on all sides of the corn. So we shall see. All right, let's let it cook.
What happened?
It juiced at me. I got shot. Oh.
Okay, now that Gina's nice and safe,
Yes.
we're gonna go ahead and do the next step. So now that your corn is nice and blackened, the next step is you're gonna brush each corn with a thin layer of mayo, and then you're gonna drop it into that cheese mixture that we made earlier, and then we're gonna be ready to eat. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put our mayo layered corn into the cheese mixture. So guys, if you wanna be extra cheesy, I say go for it.
So remember, I used feta, and I should have ground it up more finely before putting it in the mixture. And I only realized that now because I didn't do that. There's these large chunks of feta cheese on my corn. So I don't think it'll be bad for taste. I just, you just won't get points for presentation, I don't think. You're gonna laugh when you see my corn. But I just hope it tastes good, that's all that matters.
So Chrissy does say to sprinkle some cayenne pepper on here.
I don't have cayenne, so I'm doing a little bit of paprika and a little bit of red pepper. A little bit of lime juice, fresh lime squeezed over.
Okay guys, this is the moment of truth. Chrissy Teigen's Mexican corn. Gina, if this is a win, I expect you to have as much corn as you can at home.
Yes.
And send me a picture every time you have it.
I will! And you're gonna laugh because you're just gonna be like, oh gosh, it's just Gina and corn again. Gina and corn again. I promise.
Alright, you ready to take the first bite?
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Gina, are you happy?
I'm happy. It's good. This is very good. I was a little concerned if whether or not the corn would cook all the way, because I just never fry panned corn on the cob before, so I just wasn't sure how well that would cook through. But so far, it's tender and it cooked and it's delicious.
I did cook mine longer than Chrissy said. She said like 8 minutes. I cooked mine for 15, and I feel like it's just the perfect cooked. So I feel like if it was 8 minutes, it wouldn't have been the way I liked it. This is not a pretty food to eat on a day.
But this is so good, I'm happy.
This was really easy to make. I mean, basically we just tossed all the cheese together and grilled the corn on a pan for 15 minutes versus Chrissy's 8. But it was really easy.
So easy.
It all came together really quickly. This was so easy. I give it a 5 in terms of how easy it is.
I give it a 5 as well.
In terms of taste, I think it was really good. I think this is a perfect 10.
Yep, agreed.
So it's a thumbs up from Kat and Gina
Yes.
at Friends Test Kitchen. I think it's so easy and fun to serve to your guests, and it's just something different from your everyday, corn on the cobs. Highly recommend it. And thanks for joining us this week.
Thanks for
We're
joining.
really excited to make more of these Chrissy Teigen recipes. She does these really great fun recipes, and I think that they're really really good. So we'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe so that we can make more, and comment anything else that you want us to try for you guys. But thanks for joining us, and we will see you guys soon. Bye friends.
Thanks.